queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning. And I did that for my friend. He knows who he is. But if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like the content here on this channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. On here, I do my personal budget. I do the 52-week challenge, and then I just talk about what I'm trying to do with my coins, what I've done with my coins, and where we're going for the future. So like I said, if you enjoy that kind of content, I hope you consider subscribing. Now, in this video, we are gonna do my weekly check-in for week, what week is this? I think week 4 in September. I think this is week 4. So we're gonna do my check-in for week 4 in September, and we're gonna basically go over what I spend, on spending, and all that good jazz. So yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna now show you guys the book. So here we are. I'm gonna be looking up, guys, because my camera's here. I just want to make sure I'm in frame so you guys can see me. And then also I'm gonna be looking down because the book is right here. So yep. So anyways, the book. So let's open up to the page. And I recorded this before yesterday, but I didn't like how it looked, and your girl wanted to redo it, so we're redoing it. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in some more. Okay, zoom all the way in. So this is the weekly check-in for the 19th through the 25th of September 2020. So right, let's just go through it. So as you guys can see, all of these transactions happen on the 21st of September. I made like 2 or 3 transactions, and it all, paid on the 21st. And so that's it, that's all. But of course, I have to break them down by categories. So I move money from, out of the right envelopes for the right things, because even though I bought them on the same transaction, they do fall into different cash envelopes. So the first 3 ones we're gonna go over, right? The first 3 transactions were all for stickers. I bought stickers, but it came up to $25.95. It came out to $25.95, and I didn't have enough. So I took it from small business, because I did buy these stickers from Etsy, support a small business. There was $20 in small business, and I took out the full 20. There's nothing going to savings, and then that's a total of $20 that I spent from small business for the week. So that was that. And then weekly spending, I took out the $2 that was remaining. If you watched last week's video, then I had $2 left. I used those $2 as well to pay on the $25.95, and there's nothing going towards saving. That's a total of $2. And then I used miscellaneous to pay the difference, So that was $3.95, and 5 cents went towards saving, and that was a total of $4. So if you add up everything in this column, it comes up to $25.95. This is 5 cents, and then this is $26, because the 5 cents is going towards savings. And then the $25.95 we're using to pay off our credit card. Then if we move down, right, our next transaction is toiletries. Now I bought, like I said, I bought probably 2 or 3 transactions, but like I split them up by categories. So from toiletries, I bought some toothpaste because it was, finishing. That was $5.32. Why is this toothpaste so expensive? I do not know, but this is why we budget. This is why we cash envelope. This is why we get our lives together, because I buy it, but it doesn't bother me. And that is, all we trying to look for. Like, we don't want to have no problems with these coins. So $5.32. Then I do 68 cents towards savings, and then that is a total of $6 that is coming out of the toiletries envelope. Next is laundry. Laundry has 2 categories, and that's from home and miscellaneous. So laundry at a total of $38 in there, and I obviously from reading it, it didn't come up to $38. It came up to more. It came up to $41.21. And so I took out the entire $38 out of laundry. And so 0 went to savings, and that made a total of $38 from that cash envelope. And then from miscellaneous, I took the difference for laundry, which was $3.21, and I put 79 cents towards saving, and I do $4 from miscellaneous for laundry to pay that difference. And then the last thing on here is groceries. I just bought food, and that came up to $129.40. And then savings was 60 cents, and that was $130. So if you calculate everything under amount, it came up to $201.88. Savings came up to $2.12, and then total came up to $204. So in a week, I spent $204. Well, in this week, I spent $204. Let's slide up a little bit so you guys can see. So bank deposit will be $204 because that's what I spent for the week. Everything was paid on a credit card, nothing was paid in cash. This amount might change if I pay for something in cash, but I didn't. Or if I pay for something on my debit card, but I didn't. So $204 is going to be deposited into the bank. Credit card payment will be $201.88 since that is how much I spent. And then saving deposit is $2.12 since that was a total of, you know, the difference from like the change left over, which is $2.12. So that's going to be deposited into savings. I hope I didn't mess it up. It sounds like I messed it up, but yeah. But my credit card balance as of 26 September 2020 is $250.67. And that is because with this $201.88 plus my $48.79, that is the total of what is on there. I didn't have time to go to the bank this week to deposit the funds. And so that's why my credit card is $250.67 versus that $201.88. So it does happen, you know, but I still got the money. I'm just going to deposit it and pay the card. So, and I ain't getting no interest. I'm paying no interest. So is it really that big of a deal? But pay before you pay interest. So like last week, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Ooh. So like last week, what we're gonna do is we are going to unstuff our cash envelopes for basically what we are going to be deposited to the bank. And guys, I got new cash envelope holder. I bought this off of Amazon. Here it is, guys. You can see the front and the back, the money and whatever. This is Canadian money. I always get a $5, random fact. I always get $5 from whatever country I go from and keep it in here. So like every country I've been to, I have like a $5 denomination from them. So yeah. But anyways, we are gonna be putting the funds in the bank deposit folder, and this is actually my cash envelope binder, and I got a second one, which this one is colorful, and this is my sinking funds, but none of the money is coming out of here, so we'll just leave this to the side for now. So we are gonna open up. Make sure you guys can see. This is me in real life, like legit me in real life. Anyways, we are gonna go through our envelopes and just remove the funds. So groceries is the first one, and we're removing $130 from here. And guys, I wanted to tell y'all, so I don't remove funding out of these cash envelopes until I do these weekly check-ins, which these weekly check-ins are done during the week. But of course, like, you know, the transactions already happen, money's already removed, like things are already done. So toiletries is next. and I am removing $6 from toiletries, you know? And so how I track these is that I update the cards, my cash envelope cards. I update those based on when the transaction hit my account, but I don't do the bank change. I don't take out the money until the weekend. So there's $40 in here. I don't have change, so I'm gonna wait for this. And so that is how I stay on top of it, even though I don't remove the money until, you know, I come here with you guys to do my weekly check-in. So it helps. I update the card, like look at this one, right? Let me show y'all. So this is my spending money. And obviously, you know, right here it says 0. And now I'm taking out the $2, you know? So that is me like updating. It's updating as of the 21st. And it says I already took out the $2, even though like it's the 26th. So because I do these videos on the weekend, you know, and I have to wait until the week ends for me to actually do this update. So, but I update the cards so I always know like what I currently have, even if there's still money in the cards. It just works for me. So just a little thing, a little behind the scenes thing. $20 is coming out of small business, so I took that out. Let's see what else. Ooh, this is budgeting buys. That's a new one. That's a new one. Miscellaneous is losing $4 and $8. Y'all, I don't think I took out. I didn't take out from home. Okay, but miscellaneous is losing $8. So that's a 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And at the end of this, I should have a total of $204. That is how I know I've taken out the right amount of funds. So let me go back because toiletries, no, house stuff. Okay, house stuff is losing all $38 from in here. So, okay, 38, and we're gonna remove that. So I took from small business, weekly spending, which is my spending money, miscellaneous, toiletries. Oh, toiletries. Yes, I need to take out that $6 because I didn't. It had 10s. So I'm gonna take out a 10. I'm pretty sure I have enough ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I'm gonna put that back in here. And so that has $34 like the card says for it. And so now, got home, miscellaneous, and groceries. Now I'm gonna count it up, and like I said, I should have $204. So before I do that, I gotta put them in order first. Okay. So let's see. $204 is the lucky number. So 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we took out the right amount of money the right way, so we good. Boom, bada bang. So now I'm just going to put this inside of bank deposit, which bank deposit still has $51 from last week because I said I didn't go to the bank. And so now this 204 plus what was last week? 51 should be 255. 255. So let's count it up. 50, 100, 50, 70, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 255. So that means we're good. I did not have this in order, but your girl know how to count this time. Cause I don't know how, but I be messing up counting. You know, it's counting on camera. It honestly is. Because like in real life, I made the same mistake. I don't even know why I might be lying to y'all. I made the sake. But anyways, $255. I'm gonna put that in bank deposit. This is what we will deposit to the bank, and we will be a-okay. Yeah, and that's it. That is basically my weekly check-in for September 25th through 19th through 25th. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and share this video with a family, friend, or a foe, because we love everyone, including our enemies. And then also, if you do like the content here in this channel and you know want to see more of your girl, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Again, my name is Aneke. Thank you so much for watching, Kings and Queens, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't